everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys. I know it's been a very long time, but I was working on something, but I'm back. So today I'll be doing a review on a hair bonnet that I created, my brand, and I'm really hoping you guys check it out. I'm going to put the website link on my description box, and please, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and like and keep watching this video. Thank you. I hand sew every single thing on my website. I created this hair bonnets because the reason why, being a girl or anything, you can be a guy too to wear a bonnet. That's fine. I know guys wear bonnets sometimes, and sometimes we don't really have time to get our hair done right away before you go to the store, or sometimes you want to go to the store real quick, your hair is a hot mess, you don't have time to fix it, you want to put a bonnet on. And I really do not like the bonnet they have at Walmart or whatever for $1, the typical one. I hate it. So because, and it doesn't really do no justice for your hair, because of that I decided to create my own bonnet line. Let me fix this camera. Created my own bonnet line where everything is handmade by me, and everything is, I think about every single thing before I sew it. Color, design, everything. And every single material is silk and satin. Every single material is silk and satin. Yes, I'm going to be showing you guys what they look like. So yes, and I have from kids, from size kids to adults, and I have turbans, and I have hair wrap. And yes, let me show you guys first. These are just sample of my bonnets. When you go to my website, you will see all different kind, and you can actually also customize them. Keep watching. So as you see, I have two designs, one regular and then one where you can see outside. So you can have either one. First, this is just one of my bonnets, and all of them, every single bonnet is reversible, so 100% reversible. This is one of my design where you can actually see, and yeah, this is, I made this for my cousin. She's like 12, so it might not fit, but just example of how it will look when you put it on by completely covered. And my hair that I have on my head right now, it is 32 inch, the hair that I have on. My wig. You guys know I have a wig on. So yeah. One. And yes, they come in different colors. And whenever you order, if you don't like whatever color you see on my website, you can definitely leave me a note and tell me what color you like on the note section checkout. This is another, this color, one of the most popular colors. I mean, the most color people like. This is rose gold. And when you flip it over, you have different color. These are, I also do hair, you guys. If you're on my channel, you know I do hair. So I know the material that's good for your edges, that's good for your hair, especially if you're natural or non-natural, it don't matter. I make sure I choose the material that does not have any negative effect on your hair. So this will keep your hair, keep all the moisture in your hair, it will keep everything looking good, and it's good for your hair because it's a breathable material. It's a very expensive material that they use. And I have multiple colors. And then they're really big, and I understand that most of us wear wig, most of us have a lot of hair, so I make them really big, really spacious. See, really big. And this one, all of my hair, and again my hair is 32 inch that I have, and I still have room. Oh my god, beautiful. Oh my god, those was just one of my design. This is my other design. It's just a regular kind. If you don't like that one, it's my favorite design. It is simple, it's whatever, and again all of my hair can go inside, but you know I don't want to do it because I'm doing multiple. But yeah, two designs. And for the kids, I have kids. Kids is not reversible, but the inside is silk or satin. So yeah, for kids. Oh, I feel like my hair was sliding. And yeah, See, this is not reversible. And every single kid bonnet, I wash the fabric before I sew the fabric. So yes, I wash every single kid's material, and I have materials like this. This is reversible. And let me show you my favorite ones. And as I said, I have my hair wrap slash turbans. Did they say turbans? These are all one yard, so it's a lot. It's big enough to cover your whole hair. If you're having a really bad hair day or whatever, you can literally just. One of my customers leave me a review saying that this the best thing ever, because when she's having a bad hair day, she just put this on. Like, look, bad hair day, no problem, cause I got you covered. See? And you can tie this also as turbans. I don't know how to say that word, but it is again silk, and these are also reversible. If one side is dirty, no problem, because the other side is good. And these are 100% reversible. As you can see, they're long enough. It's a yard. I take my time to sew all of these. It comes in every color. And I also have a pink one. I was just testing this one on just earlier. Here's a pink one. Again, you're having a bad hair day. You just put this on. What is this hair in my face? Yeah, you're having a bad hair day, no problem. Just look, you're all set. You just walk to the street. Again, they come in every color you want, favorite color. But this is my creation. I work hard on this because I like to help other people feel beautiful. I know all of us were too busy nowadays working, and sometimes we're always in a hurry. So instead of you worrying about your hair, go to the store and put this on. I hope you like it. And my website is in my description link in the bottom. I have my full website, www.henrickabonnet.com. Click on my website link, it will take you straight to my website. And don't forget to add me on social media, Henricka Beauty for everything, Henricka99 for Snapchat. Please follow me and please check out my website. As always, message me, comments, I'll reply. I love you guys, and thanks for watching, and come back on my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.